Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and I want to invite you to join me on an inspiring tour of Cal Granadell. We'll tour its stunning beaches, explore its natural splendor, and find out why this is such a unique and beautiful spot. Make sure to click like and write a comment beneath the video if you enjoyed it. We'll start out in the tranquil town of Jave, where we can admire the astonishing views of the Mediterranean coastline. The town is framed by the lush green hills of nearby inland mountain formations. Its winding cobblestone streets, lined with boutique-style shops and quaint restaurants, are all part of the picture-perfect scenery. We'll follow one of Jave's many trails to the rocky cove where you can find a little refuge in nature. With Cal Granadell's crystal clear waters, this is a dreamlike paradise for anyone seeking rest and relaxation. Stand surrounded by the cozy fishing village and sleepy harbor, and you'll be taken back in time. We'll then continue up the coast and make our way to the expansive Jave beach. With its mesmerizing sunsets, aqua blue waters, and wide, sandy beach, this is a paradise that never gets old. Whether you love swimming in the warm waters, try your hand at surfing, or just take a stroll, you won't be disappointed. Make sure to take plenty of pictures and visualize yourself in this private corner of beauty. From its charming town centers to its hidden coves, Cal Granadell is a special destination you won't want to miss. So if you're ready to admire the breathtaking beauty of Cal Granadell, click the play button above and join me on this exclusive tour. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any updates.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.